The metaverse continues to entice users into its realm. With everyone trying to experience this next big thing, even the real estate market has made its entry here. Besides playing games and talking to people, one can now actually buy a virtual piece of land in the metaverse. If you're wondering how to do so, you're at the right place. Keep reading as I teach you how to buy virtual land in the metaverse while taking the right precautions. Buy virtual land in the metaverse. While buying virtual land in the metaverse is easy enough, there are still some things you need and tips you should follow. However, if you already know the basics, then use the table below to skip to the process itself. What is virtual land in the metaverse? For those of you who aren't aware of what land in the metaverse is, let's break it down quickly. A parcel of land in the metaverse is basically a piece of virtual real estate that is represented by a non-fungible token. Each parcel of land in the metaverse is on the blockchain and hence can be verified for authenticity easily. Like land in the real world, virtual land is purchased for a price that is mostly cryptocurrency, also known as NFT land. These parcels are either available in virtual real estate projects or can even be bought on third-party platforms like OpenSea. Users who buy virtual or NFT land can then build experiences on top of it, including games. One can even sell virtual land for a profit and even rent it out for a crypto payoff. NFT land has been steadily gaining momentum as people in the metaverse are diving headfirst into this business. However, it's not just folks online that have invested in this. Even companies are buying patches of land in virtual real estate projects and are getting on the bandwagon. How to buy virtual land in the metaverse. Now, if you're interested in buying virtual land in the metaverse, here's how to go about it. 1. Get a digital crypto wallet. The first step is to get a digital crypto wallet. You can't buy virtual land using fiat money, so you need first to get a wallet to buy and store your cryptocurrency. Ideally, the wallet you choose should integrate into your browser. There are several options available to you, such as MetaMask or the Trust Wallet. You can also use the Binance Chain Wallet if you prefer. However, it's best first to check whether the wallet supports the cryptocurrency that you will use to buy virtual land. 2. Select your real estate platform. There are several virtual metaverse platforms that you can buy property on. The two most popular options include Decentraland and Sandbox. If you want to buy through a third party, then OpenSea is a great option. OpenSea is a great idea for first-time buyers as it lets you shop around without constantly switching between platforms. You can compare prices, amenities, and assess the value based on the virtual neighborhood the plot is in. 3. Browse and select a parcel of land. Now, you just have to browse through different pieces of land that are available and select the one you want to buy. You can see just how far your property is to more famous locations. Prices tend to increase for properties that are in close proximity to popular locations. Once you select a piece of land that you want to buy, just click on it to see available information. On Decentraland, you can buy virtual real estate using either ETH or Mana. You can view the prices and place a bid or buy outright. But before you can buy, you have to connect your wallet to the platform. 4. Connect your wallet. To confirm your purchase, you need to connect your wallet to your account. Just click on Jump In and then sign up using your wallet. Once you sign up and confirm your purchase, your virtual real estate will be sent to your wallet. You will become the official owner of that virtual property, and anyone can verify its authenticity on the blockchain. It's important to note that a gas fee is involved, so make sure you have a little bit extra than the amount mentioned on the screen. Or if you want, you can also make a bid. This gives you some room for negotiation, as owners can decide whether to accept or reject it. 5. Confirm your purchase. The purchase will go through as long as you have sufficient funds in your wallet and the price is agreed upon. You can confirm your virtual real estate in your wallet. In case you're using Trust Wallet, just go to Collectibles. For MetaMask, go to NFT to get confirmation of your purchase. Reasons for buying virtual land. Like real estate in the real world, your reasons for buying virtual land in the metaverse may differ. However, most people buy it for either entertainment or profit. Users buying virtual land for entertainment often purchase it and then build virtual experiences on top of it. Depending on which project they have invested in, a user can create different experiences and place a plethora of digital assets on them. One can even invite friends onto the bought NFT land and socialize and have fun with them. However, there are also people who buy virtual land in the metaverse for investment. A big reason for this is that NFT land is becoming scarce. Metaverse users are quickly buying up parcels in virtual projects, and that is causing their prices to increase even further. So a user buying up land in the metaverse can then sell it for a tidy profit. To understand just how much profit one can make, you should know that virtual lands in the metaverse are being sold for hundreds of thousands of dollars. However, for those seeking a regular income, this land can even be rented out to fellow users or even used for other purposes. So you can easily buy a slot of virtual land and then rent it out to users. Many people also host exclusive events on their land and then charge users for admission. No matter your reasons for buying up virtual land, you can still get your hands on a piece or two. Keep reading as I walk you through it. Things you will need to buy virtual land in the metaverse. Before we begin buying up the next big thing in the metaverse, let's quickly discuss what we need to do so. Make sure you have the following things before proceeding. 1. A digital crypto wallet. Virtual land in the metaverse cannot be bought with your traditional currency like the US dollar. Instead, you will need a digital wallet that will store your cryptocurrency. This currency can then be used to purchase whatever currency the virtual real estate project will require. For the best possible experience, make sure to get a digital wallet that can directly integrate into your web browser. You can check out digital wallets like MetaMask, Visit, and Binance Chain Wallet, Visit. However, no matter which crypto wallet you go for, make sure it supports the currency of the virtual project you plan on investing in. You can easily do that by visiting the project's website and finding out. 2. A virtual real estate platform. Unless you already have a virtual land project in mind, you will also meet a place that is selling NFT land. Platforms like Decentraland and Sandbox sell virtual lands through tokens like Mana and Sand respectively. The area and amount of land will vary based on which platform you choose. A piece of land on Decentraland, for instance, measures 16 meters by 16 meters. However, you will encounter scarcity almost everywhere, so if direct buying isn't possible, you can always check out websites like OpenSea and NFT Marketplace where sales are regularly held by users who already own land. Make sure to pick a virtual land platform that you like since you will directly be investing money in it. We will be referring to the Sandbox in the next few steps. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.